Let's say I wanted to create a view in Gigasheet to come back to a filter I've already made. So you'll see I have made this filter that has a number of criteria here, and I'm down to specifically 1,163 rows of the 52 million. I also might only want a few of the columns. Maybe I want to, hide everything with the word organization. I don't want to see any of the organization columns in here. I can just start typing there and press hide all, and that hides all of the organization columns that were previously showing. I might also want to hide maybe education and languages and LinkedIn headline and job description. So now I see that I've only got 139 columns of the 167 showing. I might also want to, sort this in a specific way. Maybe I want to sort this by job title and press apply. And now if I scroll over here, you'll see that my job title is sorted. As the data that populates this sheet gets updated, I might want to come back to this same view of this filter, this sort, and these columns being displayed. To do that, I'm just going to come in here with views, and I'm going to press add new. I'm going to name it, solar panel C-suite, and press create. This will allow me to jump back to that view anytime. So if I come in here next time and the every column is available, every row is in view, there's no sorting, and so on, I can come here, jump back to that view simply by clicking down here and choosing it. And there it is.